Emma from Lex. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing another lucky dip because I like to talk to myself. So I again have the envelopes with all the exact same things as last time, like pigments in a corner, blah blah blah, but obviously different things in there. I think I did pigment last time first because I feel like that's the most fun one to do first. So 1 or 2, I'm not going to feel them because I feel like, probably just my nails by the way, they're just not a good time in quarantine. My hair needs dyeing. I'm actually going to buy some hair extensions. I've always, off topic about hair, so I suck at hair, obviously, as you can tell. I always have this little guy sticking up. He just doesn't listen to the rules. I don't even know if I can. Why am I just so easily distracted? Oh, there's another one. Whatever, this is it. This is life right now. Okay, anyway. I'm going to buy some hair extensions because my hair is super thin right now. Can't get it dyed, so it kind of looks a bit meh. So I'm just going to get like a ponytail one, which I've wanted for a really long time, and try to put that in. So if you'd like to see a video on that, then comment, let me know. I suck at hair, as you will probably know, but I'm going to give it a go. And I have worn hair extensions before, so I think how can it be right? But I'm going to hopefully buy a few. There was like this cute, it says it's 90s style, but I think it's more like 60s, where like the hair flicks inwards and it's quite short. And then there's like a Hollywood, these are all from the Labels by the way, not sponsored, I just like them. And there was like a high ponytail, like wavy sort of one, and you can have it obviously low, but my hair's pretty long anyway, so I would just use them for thickness. But if you want to see a video on that, let me know and I'll do one for you. So 1 or 2 we are going to pick. I do usually go with number 2 because it's my go-to, it's my safety, and I like even numbers, and we're just gonna go with 2. Oh, this is Finesse by House of Sparkles, and it's a cute little purple colour. Just gonna see if you can see that. Do a little swatch. And then I'll show you what could have been in number 1, but obviously we're going to, in number 2, sorry, but we're going to stick with number 1. No, I'm so confused. We're going to stick with number 2 that I have just picked, but I'm just going to tell you what could have been if we do. I'm just so confused. There's only 2 numbers and I'm so confused. Oh, so this is a Jordana t-shirt base and sparkle. Just give this a little swatch. Oh, rose gold, cute. That's both of them, if you can see. Don't know if this is going to help, but anyway, we're going for the purple. This will be exciting for us. So number 1 or number 2 in a corner highlight. We'll go for number 1 this time. Can you like hear my brain thinking like, what number did I just pick? I'm getting glitter on everything, but that's fine. Oh, we have Moonlight. I've always said whoever makes up the names for pigments and stuff, like I want that to be my job, because how good, you just sit there, you look at shades and you're like, you know what she looks like? She looks like a Moonlight. And I'm about to confirm I don't know. Oh, she does look like the Moonlight. Can you see that? This is Peaches and Cream. I love Peaches and Cream. I love their brushes, I love their pigments, I love their lip glosses, everything. So so far so good, guys. This is what caught me out last time, remember, the inner corner, because it was a lime green. So we did good. So let's see what could have been my number 2. I feel like she's being nice to me today, Abbie. Thanks. I think this might be Mermaids. Yeah, I love Mermaids. That would have also looked very good with the purple. Yes. I feel like, yeah, it would look very nice. Next we have Transition. We'll go with number 2. We'll go with number 2. I'm picking this and it always does me dirty. Okay, this is quite plummy. This is a sketch matte colour. It's like a crimson plummy kind of colour. I think we can try and make that work. Let's see what could have been from my other transition. Number 2. No, 1. I'm just going to say this one and that one because I think I'm really confusing myself. And then we have... Oh, this would have been nice. I should have picked this one. This is burnt pepper. I looked at it and I just read turnip because there was like a T and an N and UR and a P. My brain just went turnip. Anyway, this would have been nice. This probably would have been a little bit easier for me, but we're gonna make that other one work. We have bottom liner. What are we going to pick? I'm not even gonna pick numbers now. I'm just gonna do the old faithful ip dip do. I don't remember anything. Okay, we're just gonna go for this one. This is number 2. You messed me over again. This is a light pink. Wonderful. It's cute, but okay, I'll try my best. This is a Marc Jacobs. Marc Jacobs. Yeah, we'll just give them all a go. Right, let's see what could have been, guys. I wonder if every time if I were to watch this back, I would or maybe we got the lesser of two evils. I just need to sharpen it. So it's like a khaki kind of colour, khaki door by Becky's Edge, and I'm not sure how I would have incorporated that, so it would do this one, that one is going to be right. It's going to be an interesting look, guys, an interesting look. So we have top liner 1 and 2. Well, it's not going to be that one because I've just thrown it. If you ever wonder, is this how I put makeup in the studio? And yes, it is. I throw things about until there's one surviving. So we got a MAC black felt liner. Lovely. I'm doing all right for myself. But I've thrown that really far. I'm gonna have to just get on my hands and knees. Oh, this. I wonder. This could have actually worked a little bit because obviously we've got a bit of pink bottom liner, but last one is lips. Should I juggle it? I don't know how to juggle. I don't know how this is gonna. It's gonna be this one. This is number 2. Let's see. Luckily, there's nothing breakable in here. I did check because I would be fired. We got a Christian Dior in 468 spring. Cute. I like that. I used to love Dior when I was younger. I used to always ask for Dior perfumes for Christmas, birthdays, and I would buy like these little necklaces that said Dior that would obviously say from eBay for like £5 and just be like, that's my favourite designer brand. Then we have a Diva by MAC. Always liked Diva. That would have gone quite nice with our transition shade. Just to recap, we have transition shade, bottom liner, top liner, lipstick, inner corner, highlight and pigment. Don't know about anyone else, you always do swatches of colours and then it on your hand and then it looks totally different when you get them on your eyes. I was like, I don't know how I'm going to make this work, but this actually is like purplish. But it's going to work right with that pigment that we have got. It's going to work absolutely beautifully. Saw a bag in Primark that was like blending with my Cardi eye. And I'm sad I never got that because I can't go into Primark anymore. I'm just thinking of all the things that I could buy from there. Like hand sanitizer, tissues, an emergency pair of tights. I'm just gonna put some pigment glitter glue on my lid. This eye like stretches over to the right when it's closed, so when it's open it actually looks different. I don't know about anyone else, but I always get stressed when I do my makeup because I'm like, if I don't like this, all this work for nothing. Get something in my eye. I feel like this fairy-esque eye makeup deserves some fairy-esque lashes. Prima lashes. Dainty. G31. Short over cute. Because everyone got like a to-do list for when they're going to get out of quarantine, what they're going to do. Mine is going to be to hug my family. Take out my little budgies from their cage. Obviously my parents have been doing it for me, but it's different being in the room. I'm also going to go shopping and eat at restaurants, so I can't wait to do that. I feel like April's gone by real quick. I've been watching a lot of Criminal Minds and I've just heard a child screaming, "Let me out!" And immediately I thought, this is a child in trouble. I need to call the FBI. One, there is no FBI near here. Two, the kid's probably just in time out or it's playing with its sibling. But that's what I immediately thought of. What have you guys been binge watching? That's like been my thing, starting from season 1. This is a good look. Oh, hello. Oh, you know what we haven't done? We haven't done inner corner highlight. I swear to God, I always do that at the most random, like there's no structure in that for me. Almost done, everybody. Almost. So guys, that is it. The finished look. I actually quite like it. Really like the halo eye, like the lip colour. My review for all of this would be 10 out of 10 compared to the last one. I like this look. There's a lot of new products I will be using, which most definitely is going to be the Moonlight Peaches and Cream for inner corner highlight, to your lipstick. I even give this transition shade a go again. Yeah, I really like everything. Really like the pigment. 10 out of 10 for me. So I'm sorry guys that this wasn't as miserable as last time, because last time I was like, but I feel like I've adapted quite well, and I've done what I can. Be sure to go across to our Instagram page, leave a link down below, and you can go follow us on there. We always post stuff on IGTV too, which you might not see on YouTube, so go ahead and check that out. But yeah, as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!